Hi, my name is Janice and I'm an animator, storyboarder, and writer. Technically, I started off wanting to be an engineer. I wanted to work for NASA, make awesome spaceships, and explore space. But what I realized was I actually love the idea of space more. So 2 months before my senior year of high school, when I was talking with my cousin, I realized a lot of what I enjoy about space is the storytelling prospects of space. And so in that conversation, I realized like, oh my God, what I want to do is be an artist. I want to tell stories. I want to make cartoons. And so I had to like 360 from engineering into art, and that was quite a ride. A key aspect of my personality and what I bring into art is music. And so I actually work at college radio, and I think that influences a lot of what I do because music can bring such like a great inspirational like base for your art that can inspire you to make something and also like funnel like a different creative outlet to it. I also play guitar. So all my spare time, I like switching between music and animation and trying to find the two. So in the future, I want to eat good food, hang out with friends, and be with my family.